In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this makeup look step by step. I'm using some really fantastic products and they are also very affordable. So I'm really excited to show you how to do this look on a budget or not. These products are just great. So I originally created this makeup look the other day for just a short TikTok and I really loved the way the look lasted all day long. I loved the products. I love how they feel. So I wanted to dedicate a YouTube video and show you step by step how to make this look. So without further ado, let's get started and let me show you how to create this look. The first product I'm starting with is the Milani No Pore Zone. This is an ultra pore minimizing, blurring, and oil controlling primer. To be fair, I wanted to use the exact same primer with the foundation because I always feel like they create that chemistry to work together, so I wanted to give it a fair chance. And make sure underneath your primer you are starting with skincare like a moisturizer and really making sure that everything is ready to go so it's beautiful for that application. Now, since I wasn't really able to test this and see what it looks like in the store, I went with two, and I went with 01A and 02A. And today I'm going to use 01A because I used that the other day and I think it looked really great. So I'm just taking my Mint Pear Flat Top Kabuki brush and I'm just going to put a little bit on and blend that out with my blush. Now, as far as the foundation goes, I feel like this is a very natural finish, but it has such a great cover. And I also didn't feel like I saw foundation sitting on my skin. Just want you to see that really up close. It's really beautiful. I get a lot of questions about a foundation for mature skin or dry skin, which I have both, so I'm usually looking for foundations that are great for both, and I do feel like this one fits and checks all the boxes. I left this on for hours and hours the other day and I didn't feel like it settled into my fine lines, and I didn't feel like it added to making my skin look older. You know how sometimes foundation can just make your skin look a little bit older? I don't know if it just gets into the wrinkles or the pores, but sometimes it just doesn't work. And I feel like this one, especially with all the other products, just lasted all day and looked really great. I felt really good throughout the day. Now, most of you know I'm a huge fan of putting some type of light pink under eye corrector before my concealer. So this one I found is the Conceal Perfect in 01 Rose. And it has this little sponge applicator and you just squeeze a little bit and it's a very light pink, and I do love the coverage for this. Now I'm just going to take my little mini angled kabuki to blend that out. And you can see how that just brightens the dark circles under my eyes. And I also feel like this product is moisturizing. So for aging and mature skin, I feel like it's really great to find something that you can put under your eye that's not too thick, not too heavy, doesn't get into the creases. And this one is great. Now, even though the foundation says it's a Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, I did go in and get a different concealer because you can see the shade that I wanted for my under eye concealer is a little bit lighter. So even though this would work for both, I personally wanted to have a little bit lighter shade for my under eye concealer. So this one is 120. It's like butter. Look how that just goes on. These products are amazing. Oh, I love them. Taking that same mini kabuki, I'm just going to press this in and blend this in. And then just taking the kabuki, I'm just going to go back over everything and just marry that together. Now let's set everything in place with the powder before I move too much. And I have the Conceal and Perfect Milani powder. This is shade 1. So you open this up I'm gonna take a little Rounded Soft Blend from Mint Pear and just go right under the eyes. And set that under eye concealer right away and above my eye. Then taking a larger powder brush, I'm just going to set the rest of my face. Lock in that foundation for the entire day. And for the bronzer, I have the Silky Matte Suntan in shade 3. And I'm just going to take that same large powder brush, but I'm going to hit the top part of my cheek and not bring that down below. I want to keep my bronzer pretty high on my cheekbone so it doesn't drag down my face. And then I'm going to go up into my temple. Now, I'm not going to do eyeshadow for this look, but I do have these two amazing Milani palettes. There's the Gilded Nude and the Gilded Gold. If you have seen these, oh, they are so beautiful. Gorgeous. I've created so many looks and I feel like they are such high quality. Today's look I just want to be kind of simple, so I'm not going to use these, but I just want to show you how beautiful and rich they are. I'm going to show you one of my favorite tricks that I always do with my bronzer, just taking my little crease blend brush. I just like to go right in my crease with my bronzer and just go right along the side of my nose. I literally do this every day. And next for blush, I'm using Tea Rose, which is number 8, the Rose Powder Blush. So I'm keeping that up on the highest point of my cheek, up into my temples. Look how pretty that is. I am always looking for a beautiful, beautiful peach rose type shade of blush, and I just feel like this hits the mark perfectly. It's a great shade to go from summer to fall even. I like to put a little bit on my eyeshadow eyelid and just a little bit on my nose. And then I do take that up into my temples. I mean, in 2024, have we seen enough blush hacks? Like, I refuse to do blush hacks, but they are everywhere. Stop it. Stop with the blush hacks. I'm just going to use my Anastasia. And for liquid eyeliner, I am going in with the Milani liquid eyeliner Stay Tank, I think. Stay Put Tank. I feel like this was such an easy eyeliner to apply. Look how easy that wing is. Look at this. This looks so good. I also feel like I have so many mascaras, so I'm not using Milani mascara, but I'm going to use Tarte for the opening act for the primer, and I'm going to use Big Ego for the mascara, so I'll be right back. And for lip liner, I am using Nude. Look how pretty this is. And for lips, I have two shades. I picked up two. I have the 10 out of 10 and then Glow Up. And today I'm going to go with this cute Glow Up, which is 110. With these Stay Put liquid lips, you really want to press that with your finger and get it inside so you don't have that line. And the final step is using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. And here you have it. This is the final and completed look that I pulled together with all these Milani products. I am obsessed with every single one of these. Like if I had to pick one, it would be so difficult because I feel like they all work so well. If you were going to start with one, I would say the foundation, but then I would go and say like make sure that you get the primer to go with it because they work so well together. And then I would slowly add into your collection because I feel like these products are affordable and it's great for you to try these. And if you love them, you will end up saving so much money because you won't have to go buy those brands that cost so much. So definitely give this brand a try. If you have not yet, I absolutely love it. So I hope you've subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't yet, just hit that subscribe button below. Make sure you turn on the bell so that you see all my new videos when they're released. And feel free to leave me a comment below if you have any questions about this look or any of these products. I hope to see you in my next video. I want you to have a great day and take care. Bye.